Our project, Empowering Voices, Scaling COP Mashinani for Regional Energy Justice in Africa, amplifies grassroots efforts for equitable energy solutions. Building on the success of COP Mashinani in Isinya, Kenya, the project expands to diverse African regions, focusing on marginalized communities, particularly Maasai women. Through workshops and storytelling, we address critical energy needs like cooking, lighting, and transportation. The core goal is to integrate these grassroots insights into broader energy policies, promoting gender-sensitive, region-specific solutions that foster socioeconomic empowerment and build community resilience for a just energy transition across Africa. The COP Mashinani initiative addresses energy transition challenges faced by marginalized communities, particularly Maasai women in Isinya, Kenya. It tackles critical energy needs, focusing on cooking, lighting, and transportation, while integrating gender-sensitive solutions into energy policies. Traditional energy reliance has significant socioeconomic impacts. By utilizing storytelling and local workshops, we gather valuable insights that inform energy policies. Our project aims to create equitable energy solutions that empower communities and reduce the adverse effects of climate change, aligning with broader goals for a just energy transition across Africa. The COP Mashinani initiative offers a unique, community-driven approach to energy transition challenges. Spearheaded by WO-PCAA, it emphasizes storytelling as a data collection method, enabling Maasai women to express their energy needs. This model integrates local insights into policy making, showcased at COP28 where these solutions gained visibility. By transforming grassroots data into actionable policy recommendations, COP Mashinani ensures that energy solutions are tailored to marginalized communities, demonstrating scalability and relevance in the broader energy transition agenda. The COP Mashinani initiative showcases adaptability across regions and cultures. Originating in Isinya, it has expanded to Machakos, demonstrating its flexibility. By using community storytelling and local solutions, the model can be tailored to address specific energy needs in various locales. Its success in Kenya paves the way for replication across East Africa and beyond, making it a robust framework for integrating local knowledge into energy policies and fostering community engagement. COP Mashinani promotes environmental sustainability by advocating for cleaner energy sources, reducing reliance on firewood, and aligning with global climate goals. Economically, it empowers communities, particularly Maasai women, to enhance energy efficiency and resilience, while influencing policy and securing funding. Socially, it strengthens community ties through participatory storytelling, ensuring culturally relevant solutions and long-term viability across regions. COP Mashinani promotes environmental sustainability by advocating for cleaner energy sources, reducing reliance on firewood, and aligning with global climate goals. Economically, it empowers communities, particularly Maasai women, to enhance energy efficiency and resilience, while influencing policy and securing funding. Socially, it strengthens community ties through participatory storytelling, ensuring culturally relevant solutions and long-term viability across regions. Our team embodies a commitment to diversity and equity, comprising young professionals, Nelson Cheek, 29, Naftal Benson, 26, and Sam Massetti, 25. Our backgrounds in legal, policy, and education sectors provide a broad range of expertise and fresh perspectives. Nelson's extensive experience in legal and policy frameworks ensures a solid understanding of regulatory and justice issues. Sam focuses on grassroots initiatives in policy and education, while Naftal brings skills in capacity building and youth mobilization. Together, we approach challenges from multiple angles, fostering inclusivity and innovative solutions. We are dedicated to amplifying marginalized voices, especially those of Maasai women, ensuring that our energy solutions are equitable and accessible. Our diverse and dynamic team reflects our commitment to a just and inclusive energy transition.